I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Kerry. And Kerry, it's been 1 year since your hair transplant. A lot has happened in this 1 year, especially hair growth, plus even more. Tell us how the year has been.
It's been an awesome year. I'm really excited about my transplant. I've never been happier. I mean, before my transplant, I was embarrassed to wear my hair out. Now I wear my hair out with my little twist outs and stuff, and I'm extremely happy. It's 1 year, and I had nice growth by 4 months.
Really?
Yes. After 4 months, I was able to wear my hair out until now.
That is incredible. Usually I say at 4 months you're going to start seeing the hair grow.
Grow, right.
And then at 7 to 8 months you'll really appreciate the work.
Yes. So by 4 months, I had a lot of growth.
Wow. And you look amazing. You also had some addition to your family?
Yes. I had a newborn baby. He is 1 month old now.
Congratulations. So the baby's going to actually get to know you as having hair, and you'll never have to worry about your edges again.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Awesome. And overall experience, if you had to share with people who are watching this video, what would you like to say to them as far as a hair transplant, your reservation at first, and just moving forward with it?
I mean, my reservation at first, like with every procedure, everyone is nervous. So I was a bit nervous, but I mean, after, coming to you guys, I got comfortable and everything went well. I mean, my recovery time, I would say the worst part was day 1. Just pain and, discomfort. But after that, everything was smooth sailing.
And as far as your incision site, does anybody even see your incision site?
No, no one saw my incision site.
And do you even know where it is right now?
No, I don't. Because the hair grew back there, so.
Perfect.
I don't know where my incision site is.
Well, can I have you just turn your head to the right for me?
To my left or my right?
Whichever way, and then we'll do the other side. Okay, and the other way.
This is my left.
And put your chin down for me. Awesome. Kerry, I am so proud of you, and I only wish you the best. And I thank you so much for doing this video for people to be able to see. And no matter what, it's going to be helpful to a lot of people out there who are interested in getting a hair transplant. And congratulations on both the baby and happy anniversary.
Thank you.
And totally look forward to keeping in touch with you. And for anybody out there, I'm Dr. Siegel. If you're interested in a hair transplant, please contact us here at Natural Transplants. And again, thank you so much, Kerry, for sharing your story.
No problem, Dr. Siegel. Thank you.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.